Welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, I'll show you various tips and tricks to get the most out of your iPhone. This process is simple and quick. So let's dive right in. Easily share screenshots. To effortlessly share a screenshot, begin by capturing the screenshot as you normally would. Then, hold down on the screenshot thumbnail that appears at the bottom left of your screen. By doing this, you'll be presented with various share options, enabling you to share the screenshot directly without the need to open the photos. Undo typing. If you mistakenly type something and want to undo it, then simply shake your iPhone. An undo typing option will appear. Tap it to undo the text. Additionally, you can use another method for undoing and redoing text. Tap the screen with 3 fingers and swipe from right to left to undo. By doing this, you can easily undo the text. To redo, tap with 3 fingers and swipe from left to right. By doing this, you can easily redo the text. This gesture-based method makes text editing quick and intuitive. Delete a single digit in calculator. Open the calculator app on your iPhone. If you need to remove just one digit, swipe 1 finger from left to right over the number display. The last digit will be deleted, allowing for precise corrections without clearing the entire input. Set custom vibrations. To set a custom vibration for specific contacts, open the contact you wish to customize and tap the Edit option. Select Ringtone. Then go to the Vibration section. Here, you can choose a preset vibration or create your own by tapping Create New Vibration and using your fingers to set a custom pattern. Save your new vibration to apply it. Emergency bypass for silent mode. If you want your phone to ring for a specific contact even when in silent mode, open the desired contact. Tap the Edit option and select Ringtone. Enable the emergency bypass option to ensure calls from this contact will ring through regardless of your phone's silent setting. Select a whole line of text. To quickly select an entire line of text, simply tap on the text 3 times. This action will highlight the full sentence, making it easy to edit or copy the text in one go. These tips and tricks will help you manage your iPhone more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more awesome iPhone tips and tricks.